มีพวกเขามาถ่ายนี่ก็ได้ด้วย You know what to do. It's time to put your phone down and raise your attitude. The God who made the birds, sea, sun, and the moon isn't somewhere far away. He is standing in the room. So let it scream, let it shout, let him know what you're about. Keep it moving and grooving, don't leave a single doubt. That today is the day that the Lord has created. Why would I sit around just waiting? Let's have a celebration. It's time to clap our hands and stomp our feet. Let's have a celebration. If you believe that Jesus set you free, it's time to celebrate. Don't sit there and let's have a celebration. I need less of me. Father, Son, and Spirit, that's who I call G.O.D. I used to be a blind man until you let me see that who the Son set free. You said it's truly free indeed. So let it scream, let it shout, let them know what you're about. Keep it moving and grooving, don't leave a single doubt. That today is the day that the Lord has created. Why would I sit around